Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this video we will discuss to post a job on Indeed. So guys, first of all you have to go on Indeed, and here you have to click on Indeed's official website. Just look at the top right corner on the screen, and here you will see an option which is employers or post job. You have to click on it. Once you click on this button or option, then you will see this type of window on your screen, and here you have to write all the details about your company. Here you have to write your company's name. For example, this is my company's name and I wrote over here, and here you have to select the numbers of employers of your company, and here you have to write your name, and here you have to define how you heard about the Indeed. You can select one of them and write your phone number over here. Click on continue. Here you have to add job basics, and you have to select your company's type. So I will select education, and here you have to select sub-industry, education, training and services. You have to write here company's description, and here you have to write job title, and here you have to define how many people you want to hire for this job, like number of vacancies. Now you have to enter your location where you want to advertise your post or job. Like if I write here any city or country. Once you're done with it, then you have to continue with continue button. Here you have to add job type for what you are hiring: full-time, part-time, temporary, contract or internship. I've marked up on full-time or part-time, and here you have to define hours, 8 of hours I've write, and now I'm going to click on continue, and here you have to write salary package. This is the job description. Here you have to describe your job. Like if I write here, you can upload PDF or document over here as well, and continue with it. So here you have to define communication preferences. You have to write your email address, and if you want to add any other email address, so you can go with this add email button. And then application preferences, you can ask any of the question from them to candidates. So this is the application deadline. Choose your right one, and here you have to define the hiring time, and then continue. So this is the review of your job post. Just read carefully, then go with confirm. So guys, once you're done with all the requirements and details, then you have to add your card number or your billing and payment method. So if you post a job, then you have to pay for it to Indeed. So just simply add your card number and all the details of card, and your billing address line and your address in your city, and then you have to submit with this submit button. But for now I am not going to submit this, but I can show you preview of this job. If I go with the preview of my post, I am going to click on it. So my post will be look like this, and when people will see this job post, and they can easily apply for this job if they will be interested in this. So guys, this is how to post a job on Indeed. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.